Value means primarily to prize, to esteem, to appraise, and to estimate. It means the act of achieving something, holding it, and also the act of passing judgment upon the nature and amount of values as compared with something else. Values reflect one's personal attitudes and judgments, decisions and choices, behavior and relationships, dreams and visions. They influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Values are like the rails that keep a train on the track and help it move smoothly, quickly, and with direction. Values bring quality to life. Therefore, value education is nothing but learning about the particular thing through knowledge. We can identify our values and ourselves with the help of knowledge and experience. The types of education. What are the types of education? We can categorize them like formal education, value education, and value-based environment education. So what is formal education? Formal education is nothing but the self-related learning process. All will read, write, get jobs, tackle any problem with formal education. Next one is value education. Value education helps to analyze our behavior, provides proper direction to youth so that a young individual can distinguish between the right thing and wrong thing. Next one is value-based environment education. This can be defined as the knowledge about principles of ecology, biodiversity, what are our responsibilities towards our mother nature, towards the natural resources, to know more about our environment and how to keep our environment clean and safe. So, these are the types of education. Then next we shall discuss about the objectives of value education. So value education means inculcating in the children a sense of humanism, a deep concern for the well-being of others and the nation. So what are the objectives? In order to improve the integral growth of human beings and to create attitudes and improvement towards sustainable lifestyle, we need value education. What is the next objective? To increase awareness about our national history, to increase awareness about our cultural heritage, the constitutional rights, national integration, community development, and environment, and to create and develop awareness about the values and their significance and role, and to know about various living and non-living organisms and their interaction with environment. So these are the objectives of value education. Definitely there is a need for value education because values allow the individuals to interact harmoniously with others. Values guide our behaviors. They are part of our identity as individuals. They show us how to behave and how not to behave. When we are faced with different kind of problems, values are like a compass that helps us to behave consistently regardless of the situation. Values guide our actions and determine for us what's good and what's bad. So definitely, value education plays a vital role in every individual's life. So what are the concept of value education? Value education will help you to know why and how can we use less resources and energy. Why do we need to keep our surrounding clean? Why should we use less fertilizer and less pesticides? Why should we go for organic farming? Nowadays everywhere organic farming is emphasized. Why is it so? Why it is important to save water? Why should we save electricity? So, in order to answer all these questions, we must know the concept of value education. So there are different methods of imparting value education. What are those methods? Telling, modeling means presenting ideas to the learner as model. Role playing, acting the role of another person. Problem solving, asking the learner about their decision during dilemma. Studying biographies of great men. So these are different methods of imparting value education.